Hi friends, I hope you all are doing great. It's me, Nikki here, and thanks to my sponsors of this video, HelloFresh, I'm going to share with you my tips on how to take back control of your home and your life when it comes to DIY projects, meal planning, and that home cleaning routine. I'm so excited to share these tips with you, so let's get started. Okay friends, my first tip is a unique way of having a cleaning routine, and it is the cleaning box. I've had this for years in my home, and it's a wonderful way to incorporate the entire family into completing all the cleaning tasks that are needed around the house. I have these simple cards, and each contains this QR code sticker that I put on the card, and within each code is a task that needs to get done around the home. It's concealed, so you can't pick and choose the task that you want to get done, and it's fun for the family. You know, everyone picks one card per day, and they scan their card to see what their mission for the day, what their cleaning mission for the day is. And then you can accumulate the cards over a week's time or a month's time, and whoever has the most can get a prize for that month if you want to have some type of reward system. But it really is a fun way to have a cleaning routine in your home for the entire family. So think about a way to engage your family in the art of cleaning your home, because this is important because the entire family lives in the home and you really want them to be a part of the maintenance of the space. And this is something you definitely can put together. You can get a business card box and print out QR codes online. It's so easy nowadays to create something like this. And you can also just have simple cards that you cut out and make and write each task on. But either way, you have an ongoing cleaning system for your home. My next tip is those family meetings, and this plays right off of the cleaning box because you want buy-in with your family. And Mike and I meet every Sunday at 6 o'clock to talk about 6 key things for our home. We talk about our schedules. We talk about the maintenance needs for the home. We do one teaching thing for the home. We talk about home issues, you know, if we're having any issues, if someone not pulling their weight or whatever the case may be. But it really brings family unity. And of course, meal planning is always on our family member agenda, and that is where my friends at HelloFresh come in because they can really simplify that process for you. They simplify it for my home. And how they do this is they deliver delicious meals to my home, already prepped and ready for me to cook. And I love that. It takes just the stress out of figuring out what are we going to eat. And their meals are amazing, and they have over 50 menu and market items to choose from each week, so I have versatility in what I can feed my family. And if you need meals for your larger family, they can accommodate that also. So I love that about HelloFresh. But it's exciting to just kind of pull everything out, and it's the proper portions. It takes no time to really finish off any prep or cooking. It's like you're in the kitchen for 30 minutes and then you're out with this gorgeous meal that is ready for your family. And that really can save you time and stress from having to figure out what we're going to eat, number one, go to the grocery store, number two, then come home and prep everything and then get it on the table. So that is a lot of work in itself, and HelloFresh cuts out the majority of all of that work. And that is just one thing that I consider that must have to do in your home, especially this spring. You know, it's time to get outside on our back patios and enjoy dinner outside without feeling exhausted from the process of hitting the grocery store, hitting the kitchen, and all of that. And so I love the fact that you can have a simplified way of really feeding yourself and your family quality meals that are really delicious and absolutely creative. You know, that's the thing that I would say is one of my top things that I love about HelloFresh is that I can give my family meals that are outside of the norm, because you can tend to get bored with planning your own meals because you're fixing the same things that your go-tos for the family every week, you know, just to kind of keep things simple for yourself. But with HelloFresh, you're able to keep it simple. You're able to save money and time because you're not having to spend time at the grocery store. You're not having to spend time kind of wasting money buying ingredients that you may not use all the ingredients and then you have waste. Well, that's not the case with HelloFresh because they're sending you the proper portions. And so what you receive is what you cook and what you eat. And so it's just really a great way to save you stress, to save you time, and to save you money. friends, this meal was so delicious and so fun to prepare because I didn't have to do a lot of the pre-work that needs to be done in order to create fabulous meals in your home. And if you want to take advantage of HelloFresh, use my code HOMEWITHNikki16 to get 16 free meals plus 3 free gifts at HelloFresh. I will put the link in the description box below. So friends, this leads me to my next tip is to automate your home. You know, from that meal planning with having HelloFresh sent to your home, also with the cleaning, you know, think about going with something that is more robotic. There are so many ways to automate your home nowadays because that is just the direction that we're going in, and it really can save you time. So instead of vacuuming and mopping your own home, you can have a robot vacuum and mop your home for you, which really is a mass space to have to take care of each week. But if you have it on autopilot, it can really save you time and effort. Another tip is to maintain each space. If you're going in the garage to get the batteries, just do one thing in that space, whether it's breaking down one of those boxes and putting it in recycling. You don't have to break down all the boxes. Just every time you go in the room, just do one. You know, if you go downstairs and you have a cup beside your bedside, take that cup down when you go. Every time you enter a space, just look at one little thing that you can do, and you'll be surprised how building that routine will help you keep your house under control. So friends, I hope these tips that I shared with you today could be helpful. Definitely check out HelloFresh. Use my code HOMEWITHNikki16 and the link that I put in my description box below so that you can get your 16 free meals plus 3 free gifts. Have a beautiful day, my friends. I will see you at the next video. And this is Nikki saying goodbye.